In this video, I'm going to show you how to download ChatGPT Voice Assistant. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so to start off, to use the ChatGPT Voice Assistant, you don't need to download a separate app, luckily enough. So you don't need to go to your Player App Store. It's built into the official ChatGPT application. So if you don't see it there, make sure ChatGPT is up to date. So go to your Player App Store and update the app. Now to use it, basically open up ChatGPT, sign into your account, and then from here we're going to see the option to use voice. So if we click onto this, we can start talking into the voice box here, and now if I stop talking, it's going to respond back to me.
Exactly, just like we're doing now. When you speak, I listen, and once you pause, I jump right in to respond. It's like a chat with a little bit of rhythm. So, what's on your mind?
So yeah, that's basically how to use or download the ChatGPT Voice Assistant.